Welcome to our exploration of criminology, an intriguing field that delves into the study of crime, criminal behavior, and the societal responses to both. At its essence, criminology seeks to understand the motives behind criminal acts, the impact of crime on communities, and the effectiveness of various justice systems. This interdisciplinary field draws from sociology, psychology, law, and anthropology, enabling a comprehensive approach to the complexities of criminality. One of the core components of criminology is the examination of criminal behavior. Researchers in this field often ask questions like, what drives individuals to commit crimes? Are there social or economic factors that play a significant role? Understanding these motivations aids in developing theories about criminal behavior, such as the routine activity theory, which suggests that crime occurs when a motivated offender encounters a suitable target without capable guardianship. By unraveling these driving forces, criminologists can contribute to strategies aimed at crime prevention. Additionally, criminology also encompasses the social impact of crime on communities. Crime not only affects those directly involved, but also has ripple effects that alter the fabric of society. Victimology, a subfield of criminology, focuses specifically on the victims of crime, their experiences, needs, and the repercussions they face in their daily lives. Understanding the victim's perspective is crucial in shaping policies that foster better support systems, helping communities heal and regain their sense of security. Moreover, the study of criminology extends to the criminal justice system, analyzing laws, law enforcement, and rehabilitation strategies. Criminologists often scrutinize how different societies respond to crime and whether current strategies are effective. For instance, some criminologists advocate for restorative justice, which emphasizes repairing harm done to victims and the community, rather than merely punishing the offender. This approach encourages accountability and promotes healing rather than alienation. In conclusion, criminology is a dynamic and vital field that not only seeks to understand crime and its causes, but also strives to influence the broader societal responses to it. By studying criminal behavior, the impact of crime on victims and communities, and evaluating justice systems, criminologists play a pivotal role in shaping safer, more just societies. As we continue to grapple with crime and its consequences, the insights derived from criminology will undoubtedly remain essential in our pursuit of justice and social order. Thank you for joining us in this fascinating journey through the world of criminology.